Hello guys, today we are going to learn the difference between sink, drown, float and swim. People mostly confuse in these words. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Sink. When an object sinks, it moves downward in a liquid due to its density being greater than the density of the liquid. Example: cargo ship carrying bulky containers sinks into the Atlantic. Float. To stay or to be suspended on or near the surface of a liquid without sinking. Example: the inflated beach ball floated on the calm water of the pool. Swim. To propel oneself in water by natural means such as movements of the limbs, fins or tail. Example: my son learned to swim. Drown. To die by being underwater and unable to breathe or to kill someone by causing this to happen. Example: he drowned in boating accident.